Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with an unboxing of the Planner Girl box from Cupcakes and Stickies. I'm so excited. They went on sale to Saturday, so I'm guessing there's still going to be some available because I think she had like 100 of them. So make sure you get it if you want to get it. I'm going to go ahead and post this with my Plan With Me video tomorrow because I want to make sure that you guys get it and see what's inside. So I did donate to this box, so you will see that. Here's the card that says contents. So there's a sticker book, a pen pouch, Loretta charm, Planner Girl kit, planner scissors, diamond Planner Girl pen, sticker die cuts, 2 rolls of washi tape, planner clips, and then extras from these participating shops. So there's me, Britannia Nicole, Purdy Planner, Sticker Mustico, and AB Organizing. So that's so cute that she put us on a little card. And then she did tissue paper. All right, so there's my clip. I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna just put this to the side and grab stuff out of it as we go. So here's the clip that I did for her collab. She said that a lot of her stuff was gonna be silver, so I did the silver glitter clip, which people have asked me about. It's in her box for now. Once all of her boxes are gone, then I might release it, but it's kind of like a maybe. So, because it's like I made so many of them already. So there's what it looks like. Really sparkly on a silver clip. And then there's the back, and I just put my Run with Craft Scissors logo on the packaging so you guys could see that. Next up, we have her Planner Girl sticker, Planner Girl kit, I think is what this one is called. Yeah, Planner Girl. Let's peel that open. So this is like her little, I think it was called Bujo kit. So this one she did some pretty patterns in the background, and it's pretty pink. It's like pink, black, and gray. That's so cute. And then that's a sticker too. And then these fit in those gum packs, by the way. So I'm gonna lay them out so you can kind of see the whole kit. So I think it goes 3 and 3. Can you guys see all those? Yeah. So here's all the boxes and checklists. Aren't those cute? And that's all hand drawn, by the way. All of it. That's amazing, huh? Okay, so there's that. Slide those off and around and around. There you go. So that's what we have so far. And then we have the die cuts from her. There's so much in this box. I think it's 35, 30, something like that. So these are die cut stickers, I believe. So there's a little Planner Girl. So it's a little planner and it has a little Loretta and a little like Ollie clip and a little palm clip, a little ribbon clip and the tassel with a little Loretta on it and a pink pin. So cute. And then here's the little Loretta with her planner. And then the dress is the pattern that you'll see in this and some other places. And then there's a little bow clip. So that's the die cuts. Put that underneath, because I'll probably store them in that. Keep them safe. All right, and then she had some other planner clips that she ordered. So these are kind of like the bobby pin ones. So there's a little star with like pearls in it, and then there's a little flower with a pearl in it. So these clip on your page just like it is on here. Ooh, they're really tight. There we go. Okay. So that's super cute. And then I'll move it up a little bit. And then we have, that's stuck to that. Here is the zipper pouch. Is that what she called it? Pen pouch. So here's the pen pouch. Isn't that cute? She has Planner Girl done in there, and then the little Loretta. It's like carved in. I don't know how you describe that. And then this cute little leather zipper. Let's open this up. So it opens like that. So it stops, like that's closed, so your pens won't just fall out, but you can look at all of them. So I think that's really nice. So super unique because it has the little Planner Girl and the Loretta logo. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Not sure. Do you see it more if I go like this? Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. All right, and then we have planner scissors, which mine like ripped off in the mailbox apparently. So these are those scissors that look like a little bird. I forget what kind of bird it is. Crane? I don't know. I don't remember. She just calls them planer scissors, but they're very popular. You see them in a lot of clips. The cat's chewing on the adhesive from the other bag. So she ordered these in silver, so everything was like silver looking. So there's that, and there's the cute little card that it's on. I think that was different. I think she said that she didn't get the card that she wanted in, so she was using this one, but the one that you guys will get will look a little bit different, which I think is okay. I was like, yeah, just send it. And then planer charms, which I think I already have this particular color. I think I got one of each color. So this one is silver that comes in it. And she has the other ones for sale in her shop already. So it's double-sided. It has Loretta on both sides. So it's super cute. It has Cupcakes and Stickies backing. And then we have the washi tape. She put little Loretta stickers on there on both sides. That's so cute. Okay, so let's open this up. Save that sticker. They're very wrapped. They're like twisted in there like a bread tie or something. Hold on. Here, we'll use my handy dandy planer scissors to cut this open. There we go. Okay, so this one is the one that's kind of like plaid looking. Go ahead and show you what it looks like. So there's that. And she had sneak peeks of all of the stuff that she put in the kit on her Instagram, but I think an unboxing brings a little personal touch because you get to see how it's all packaged and everything. So this one is the gray with the flowers, and this washi matches the kit. So this pattern is the same as this one. I was going to unroll some to show you. So here's this one. My cat doesn't go after my washi tape, just the cello bags. So there's that one. So you can see that little tiny blossoms on it. We'll roll that back up. So that's cute. I love washi in boxes, especially when they're like exclusive. Okay, and then here's the pin. Oh yeah, the pin. Here's the pin. And it's got the big stone on top. And it's black and sleek, and it says Planner Girl with a little Loretta. It's like engraved on it. That's so fancy. It's probably the fanciest crown pin I've ever had. So cute. Alright, and then here's the sticker book. So I was super excited about this because you guys know I use brag books for my stickers. So I already use my sticker storage like this. And this one, it feels a lot like this, like they're made out of the same thing. And then it has the same, like, I don't know if you want to call that embossed, Planner Girl and then Loretta, and then it has a nice little snap here. Oh, and then you get to see all the freebies from the other people. So we're going to show that from the other shops / people. Obviously people run those shops. We'll flip through that some more in a second. Unless that's all, unless this is what was in it. I don't know. I don't remember. I haven't seen the other unboxings. So this was Britannia Nicole's freebie for this box. And it definitely matches with the light pinks and the grays. And then I have a discount code for Britannia. And then this was a die cut from Pretty Planner. And then she did a bunch of her little characters. So this is, oh my gosh, I should know her name. Nope, that's Mikey. This is Molly. And then that's Rosie after my grandmother. And then that's, I think, just Pretty Kitty. I'm trying to remember. Gosh. And then, so those are from there. And then Sticker Monster Co. also donated. And that really matches. Even the glitter, that'll match my clip. And then this one is from AB Organizing, so little functional girls. And then she did a silver and a pink glitter box. That's so cute. And then she has a discount code. Yeah, they have a special discount code, so on them, so that's nice. Okay, and then back to this. It was like flopping open. So it's just like the photo pages, just like those photo albums that like I've used, except for it's like, I don't know what you want to call that, like brads in there. So it's very sturdy and thick and nice, and I love it. So this one, they slide in from the side instead of the top, which I think is nice because then you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out the top. So nice for stickers. So that is the contents of the Planner Girl box for Cupcakes and Stickies for the first one that she's done. So here's all the freebies and stuff that people donated. All right, so I did get my PR kit from her as well, so I'm going to show that as well. So I'm going to put all that stuff to the side, kind of. I'm just going to roll it over. You guys can see what's not in this box, but is in her shop. Okay, make that clear. So every order you get a little cupcake clip, which I got. That's that right there. And then all of her sheets are smaller now, and she even included a little Target sticky pocket to show you that they fit in those. So I ordered a bunch of like functionals, and then I ordered her what is it called? Basic Bujo kit. Okay, so I'm going to show you that one. It should be set up pretty much the same as the one that you just saw, only this one is all black and white, so you can color it in if you want or how you want. So the light bulbs are colored in, but I think that's pretty much all that's done in there. So I think that's what her kits are mainly going to look like now. So if you're looking for the Erin Condren or Recollections kits, she's going to be doing ones like this from here on out. So, which I think is fun. She's switching things up. So these fit in here, but they also fit in those gum packs. These ones, I'm working on chewing all mine, but they fit in here. So that's nice as well for on-the-go planning. So here's some of the functionals. So these are now $1.76 a sheet as far as that goes, and then you can use my code Lesley15 for 15% off. So this is clean brushes, which I thought was super cute. She hand draws all of these. And then here's the cloudy ones. So I ordered 2 of those because we get partly cloudy weather where I live all the time. So I ordered 2 of those, Loretta ones. And then since we got a new car to us, I knew I was going to have car payments, and obviously we already were paying for car insurance and stuff, but I thought this would be cute to put down for car payments. So I got a few of those, or a couple of those. And then the Feed the Cat ones, I actually ordered these before a few of my subscribers, you lovely people, sent me some of your extras from your grab bags from Cupcakes and Stickies when she was getting rid of her old way of doing things. So here's the kitty Num Nums for eating. Now she's pushing on my chair, my darn cat. This one is the Happy Meal one for sending or receiving. And then the Feed the Dog one, you guys knew I was out of the dog ones. So I ordered a few of those. I think I ordered 4. Yeah, I ordered 4 of these because I use them every day. I was like counting how many are on here, and I was like, I want to get at least a couple months worth. So I ordered 4 of them so I could put down the dog or dog bowl for each of those. But this is, okay, so there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This was 11 sheets. 11 of her sheets fit in this sticky pocket, and honestly I might even be able to fit a couple of more. So these Target sticky pockets are awesome, and the Planner Society had some sticky pockets as well in her kits that she's been doing lately, so you might have those. So thanks for watching, give it a like, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yes, I waved.